What's going on, Riker owners? Today I want to talk about throttle lock. I've had it on this Riker for about 3 weeks now. I'm not going to, this ain't going to be no install video, but a review. What I think about this Atlas throttle lock. I really like it. I really do. It's not a constant. It's not something that's going to hold a speed constantly, so you will have to adjust your speed occasionally, but it gives your hand a break from the constant twisting of the throttle. Let me show you. This is the bottom one here, the bottom throttle lock. They come two different types. There's the bottom, this is what this is, and there's a top. The Harley would need a top, I believe. It just all depends on your controls over here, if you need a top or bottom. And it's real thin. There's like a little plate that you ratchet in there. It'll ratchet in there, and you just tighten it up with this screw with the Allen wrench that they'll provide. There's plenty of install videos out there on this. That's why I didn't do an install on this. Like I said, I've had it for like 3 weeks, and I've tried it out, and I got it from my wife because she had arthritis, and she was talking about how much pain it caused her with the constant twisting of the throttle when you get it up to speed. At first I bought her a cramp buster. You know, it was like $10. There's a little rubber piece you have to get on there, which is real hard. You got take off this end and slide it on, and then you put the cramp buster over the top of it, and it would still slide. That's what this rubber piece right here is. That's from that cramp buster, and you just put that cramp buster on there, and you just kind of throttle it with your palm, which does give you a little bit of a break. The Harley has a throttle built with a cramp buster built in, so that's the reason why it doesn't have the throttle lock on that. But I'm probably going to end up purchasing one for them. You can get these off of Amazon, 135 bucks, I think. But to engage it, you press that. There's like a little bumper. When you install that, they'll give you 3 options of a bumper there. I'm not sure what they're made out of. And you alcohol swab that plate right there, and you stick that bumper on there. And I seen a video where they used the medium one. That's the reason why I used the medium one. It seems like the medium one works pretty well. I almost took it off and put the large one on there just to see if it would hold the speed better. You can try that, and if that works, let me know, because I may end up taking this off and putting the large one on there, just removing that one. But if it doesn't work, let me know. Like I said, I've had this for like 3 weeks. I've got a video of me riding with this. I'm going to show it to you here in a few minutes. Then I'll get back with you. If you order one, you get the bottom one, the bottom lock, not the top lock. If you get it for the Riker. It's pretty easy to put on. Takes about 10-15 minutes to put it on. There's a little bumper up in there. When it's engaged, it presses on the side here. It's pretty cool. Just the constant, you know, the cramp buster that we had on here didn't work very well. She and Lori didn't like it, so I paid the money for this and been pretty happy with it so far. You know, it gives you a break to take your hand off the wheel and Most of the time it'll hold fairly steady. I'll get it up about 55 here. Okay, it's at 58. No hand on it. 59. No hand. 60. No hand. It's climbing some reason. I don't understand why it does that. It's got a medium bumper on it. I'm not sure exactly what you call that, but there's a large, there's a medium, so I thought about taking that off and putting the large on it, see if it would hold better, but you can see it's holding pretty good right now. Okay, that was my video on my riding video with this on, kind of show you what it does. Like I said, I really like it, and it will give your hand a break. My hand cramps up quite a bit. I don't know if it's old age or what, but I have some issues with arthritis too. But it will give you a break, which you've seen on that video. I highly recommend it. I don't know if there's better out there than this, but if you're planning on riding like the expressway or somewhere like that, and also, you know, you can throttle this back down with it engaged and throttle it back up, which is another good thing. It's not something that's going to be a constant hold. It's engaged right now, and you can see that I can turn it, and it's still holding, and you can disengage it right there. It's that simple. It's not that hard to press. Highly recommend this. You can get these off Amazon, 135 bucks. Highly recommend it. If you like this, hit like. If you don't, just hit dislike. Subscribe to my channel if you like stuff like this. I'm going to plan on doing a lot more install videos like this, or reviews like this. Have a good one, guys. Till next time, peace. Keep the rubber side down. Adios.